So hello everyone, in this video I'll be describing the flow of registration and logging in this Coderscolab website. So basically I have used a database for storing all the information of the users who are registering and then logging in. So there are two kinds of way that I'm registering users. The first one is that the user can provide the username in this field. Basically it is the material UI component, or you can say form. So this is the input field which is built by material UI only, and then in these fields like in the email and the password, user can decide to put any kind of password. The email verification is not yet implemented, but we can simply add the username and the email address, and then we can uh, simply register that user, and then that user will be stored inside our database in a user field or in a user table. In the case of MySQL we are using. So let's say I want to create a sample new user, so I can write any kind of name here, and then that user will be stored inside the database. Then after that we can decide any password. For now the password validation is not yet added, I think. Yeah, that is not added, but in the backend side it is added. The other way that I'm registering user is this: continue with Google. So this is another way by which user can directly register with us with their Gmail account. If they have any Gmail account, so they can directly use it. So for this I have used Google OAuth 2 API, and it is verified as well. So we have made the verification through mail as well. So it is not in the testing, but instead it is in the production now. So we can collect the information of the users, any user who has Gmail or the Google account. So right now my default account will be actually logged in. So you can see this is my default account which is logged in. But if we haven't registered with us, or like if the user hasn't registered with their Gmail account, so they will be not logged in like this. Because I have already registered with this website with my uh, Gmail account, so it is directly logging in into my dashboard. But if the person hasn't registered with us, so he'll be asked to like confirm that do you want to allow Coderscolab to get your information. So he will confirm that, and then after that the person will get logged in. So in this case there is no need to add any password or set any password or anything, because we'll not be getting the user or logging in the user with their password. There is no need of that. So they can also log in, sign in with Google, or they can directly register with us. So both these buttons will work similar to that, but they will just redirect if the user is already registered. Otherwise it will ask that do you want to allow Coderscolab to register your information. Otherwise we have this information that if we have created the account, and if the account is successfully created, then the person will be able to log in. So the person will be able to log in then. So I have this account which I created by using normal email and password, then that person will be logged in. So this was it for the flow of registering the user and logging in with their account. So basically the database and the Google OAuth 2 is used, and I'm giving out the tokens and storing that inside the Redux as well. So if I let's say show you that, so in this state you can see this auth field. This auth field allows us to store like I'm storing all the logging information inside this user info. So all these user details and username, all those basic details I'm storing inside that. I'm also generating a unique token by using passport. Yes, so like normal JWT tokens, it is normal JW tokens that will also be expired. So before that, I'm also refetching the details of the user if uh, if it is inside the local database or local storage, sorry. So if the person is inside the local storage, so the information will automatically be fetched by this website by using uh, React query. So I'm also using React Redux API, this one auth API. So this will constantly refetch the information. Basically RTK query is used, so it will refetch the information of the user if it is available, if the token or the information is available inside the local storage. Otherwise it will ask the user to again log in or sign in. So with the help of token, I'm able to like logging the user. So this was it. I hope you got the idea of logging and signing. Thank you for watching.